welcome to TNDS channel by Arsenio Pulion. Subscribe. Si Chris Mark, the area of Engineer Linog. Lumakil Purumulok, South Cotabato.
Si Kuya Bon,
9 hectares
si Apo,
together with the members of Bukon,
ang lula ko
Kapamayapa,
na
and
magkapatid.
Secretary of Bukon. Here in Lumakil Purumulok, South Cotabato. Engineer Sir Linog.
Para mababala niya, para maklaro kay best mo pala si Papa Sen. Si Papa Hussein at saka mother ko, magpinsang buo. Saka na sis.
Together with complainant and Sir Linog and Sir
Importante, nga lang.
family.
This is
This is the last portion of agreement. Thank you so much for all who viewed and see this